What's going on, everyone? So I know what you want. You want fast results. You want to see a good physique, and you want it to be easy. And it's not gonna be easy unless you meal prep. So here's a video on a meal prep that you could gather up all the foods this weekend, and you can start preparing. It's helpful, it's fast, it's healthy, and you'll see results. So if you guys want to try this meal plan for the week, watch the video, and I promise you guys it will be worth it. Try just 5 days, get that momentum, see how you feel. Once you start seeing results in the first week, guys, I'm promising you that you will want to do the second week, and you could just keep going. This is a meal plan that you could use whether you're bulking or cutting. All you have to do is lower down your calories according to your body weight and goals, and you got this, man. Yes, you watching me, you got this. I'm telling you. Starting off with the first meal, guys, something you could do to get your veggies in is grab 1 cup of kale, some avocados, some bananas. You could use any protein you want. This is the one I used right there. Some almond milk, 80 calories for extra flavor. That way it gets a nice, beautiful taste. I like it a lot, guys, with the almond milk. And something you could do is just put it in the freezer, prepare it, and just blend it in the morning. And right there you have a 1 cup of vegetables ready to go. I'll put the macros on the screen for you. Now for the carbs, guys. In this video I'm going to be using some red potatoes and some beets. You can use a lot of different sources when it comes to carbs, but for this video, this is one of the ones that I'm going to show you, so you could try it out and try something different. It tastes amazing. Just cut your red potatoes and beets in kind of like a fried kind of shape, and all you're going to need to do is just boil them in water. I do recommend that you add at least half a tablespoon of coconut oil, that way it doesn't stick as you cook it. And it doesn't take long at all to finish. You could cook as much as you want. You want to prepare for the week, depending, of course, on your on your goals and your current weight and all that stuff. But definitely worth a try, and you could get some containers and add it with your chicken. For the next meal, we're going to be preparing high protein pasta, and something you could use is carrots and onions. Something you want to do is cut them in small pieces. Make sure they cook. And keep adding water if you feel that they're sticking to the pan. Adding half a tablespoon of coconut oil can help with that. And then we're also going to use diced canned tomatoes. Try using that. It's a lot faster, a lot easier. They're already ready for you. And of course, some coconut milk, which is going to make it, that's what's going to give it the thickness and that nice taste that you love. I already had some in the fridge, so we're going to use that. And we're just going to pour it. And of course, depending on your goals, use whatever you need for your specific body weight, and it will give you a nice thick paste. And as I was doing this, I was boiling the pasta. Did not record that, but it's simple. Just boil the pasta in water until it's softened, and then you could add them on top and blend it in, and it's gonna give you a nice texture. And I will put the seasonings that you could use somewhere on the screen, as well as the macros, so you guys can relate, and you could try out the seasonings if you want to. You can use any seasoning you want as well. For this meal, something that you're going to need is black beans or kidney beans. You could also use chickpeas, some strawberries, cilantro, some pears, kiwi, and some kale. Make sure that you chop the kale up in very small pieces. That way you don't choke on them, because it's very hard to eat when they're whole. Just take a knife and cut them very small. It's gonna make the salad a lot easier to eat. And you can also add anything else that you like. The reason for adding the black beans is it's gonna give it some high protein. That way it's a lot easier for you to hit your macros in the entire day, and you will get a lot of nutrients since you're eating some vegetables and of course fruits. It's a mixture, and you could add as far as sauces go. I will be using some ranch dressing. You could use anything else that you like, but I definitely like this one and the taste that it gives you. Something that you could just grab easy, fast, and it's also very, very tasty. So you definitely enjoy that. So the same way that we did the pasta, we're going to start that off for the chicken breast. Something that we're going to do is we're going to prepare 5 pounds, and we're going to cook them 2 different ways. That way you have 2 different flavors as far as the taste, because you know, everybody could get tired of chicken. On the first one, we're going to be using some bell peppers. You could use as many as you like, and feel free to add anything else that you want. So half of the chicken is going to be this way with bell peppers, and the next one is going to be chicken stew. So for the next one, we're not going to add the carrots. We're just going to cook the onions, even though you see that on the video, and you know, you can put those in containers. So just skip the carrots on this one and stick with just the onions, and make sure that they cook very well. And I'll show the seasonings that you should use for the chicken curry right on the screen. And you'll notice that I'm going to be adding some coconut milk. That's what's going to make the biggest difference in this. And when you cook this chicken, I'm telling you, you will love it. It's so easy to eat. And even though that you keep it in the fridge for, you know, 5 days, it does not lose the taste at all. It stays juicy. It does not get dry. For those of you that get tired of, you know, eating dry chicken, the consistency is just perfect. And it's been like 5 days in the fridge, and still tastes fresh, as you can see right there, guys. It's very thick and creamy. I will put the macros in there so you guys can see. All right, so I hope you found that very helpful, guys. You know, it's a free meal prep that you could try, you know, for anytime you like, for as long as you like. All you have to do is change the calories. And if you guys want to help me out, you can support the channel. You guys could, you know, buy me coffee at coffee.com/AlexLosAngeles. If you want to support the channel, you know, buy me a cup of coffee. That way I stay up making these videos. This video was a little longer than usual, but I did get it done for you guys. And for those of you that need help, like let's say you need a coach to guide you step by step, I do offer online coaching, you know, meal plans, workout routines. That way, you know, you have me telling you exactly, you know, what to eat. If you know you want to eat different things, not what's on here like all the time. And as far as like workout routines and stuff like that, you could, you know, email me at azxangles@yahoo.com. But I will be bringing more helpful free videos, you know, and I have a whole bunch of older videos that you guys could also check out if you're interested in that. But anyways, guys, hold on to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time.